Hi, I'm Vaughn. I'm the working supervisor here in the machine shop at HR Engineering. I have been here 10 years. A typical day, we mainly do jobbing, individual jobs throughout the day, but we also run projects. We do a lot of winery work where it comes to harvesters, tractors, even projects inside the wineries themselves. The welding work is daily. Probably be welding 80% of the day, both TIG and MIG, whether it's aluminium or stainless or mild steel. I think the first one we got was probably 10 years ago. There was 2 of them and we used them for years. They have been tremendously reliable machines. I think for us, what stood out the most would be pricing and just reliability. So going for the 350 MIGs, there's just no replacement for it. One machine for multiple engineers. So they will have one set of, one run, and then directly afterwards, somebody else will get on and keep moving. So the machines have been so reliable. We've had them go through some pretty hard times and they come out on top every time. The machines have paid for themselves because you have that reliability. If we go through another machine for the same amount of hours, you incur the costs, whether it's consumables or repairs. We always weigh those options up. So for us, having a solid base, we always know that they will be good to go.